This is NorthBamaWX with your regional weather update for North Alabama and Southern Tennessee. We're currently monitoring a flood watch across the region. Flood watch in effect for Madison, Morgan, Marshall, Jackson, DeKalb, Coleman in Alabama, and more, Lincoln, Franklin in Tennessee. We'll continue monitoring conditions across the region. Stay safe out there. There is one active tropical system in the Atlantic Basin. PTC Bertha is currently located in the Gulf of America, packing maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour. The storm is approximately 86 miles from Galveston, Texas. Gulf storms can bring heavy rainfall and flooding